Hello viewers! Welcome back to Ramz tutorial. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're updated in my latest videos. Today class, our viewers, we're going to discuss about factorization method. Okay, my dear viewers, we're going to discuss about understanding prime factorizations. Before we proceed to factorization method, so remember that we notice or we observe that in multiplying numbers, we notice that the factors or numbers that we multiply are all prime. Remember, when we write a number as a product of prime factors, we say that we have written the prime factorizations of the given number. We are going to what we call apply our multiplication skills to factors or to count the numbers properly. Okay, here we go. We're going to apply challenge. We are going to apply our factor tree method rather. To build the factor tree, we're going to get the prime factorization process of each composite number. Remember about composite number. That means to say, talking about composite number class, we can multiply the given numbers 2 or 3 or more than that. Whereas for prime numbers, we can multiply the number itself. Okay, so we're going to proceed to our topic now. First given number is 120. And how to factor 120? So we're going to apply factor tree method. Okay, number 1, 120. So I'm going to apply factor tree method. This is like a tree. So we're going to think the right factors in multiplying 120. 2 times 60. So when we multiply it, that is 120. Next, we factor 60. 2 times 30. Next class, factor 30. 6 times 5. And that is a tree method. Next, sixth. 2 times 3. Chair. And where are the factors? We have 2, 2, 2, then 3, and 5. These are the factors of 120. So we're going to write here, just simple as that. We count first according to numbers, according to sequence of numbers. We're going to first write, we count to 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 2's. We're going to use a dot symbol to make it clean. So next, 3 and 5. When we multiply class 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, the result is 120. Okay, that's very clear. Keep on watching my videos. Next is 50. We're going to factor 50. Number 2 is 50. That's for number 2. 10 times 5. Or 2 times 25. You can factor like that. So next, I'm going to factor 10. 2 times 5. And these are the factors of 50. We're going to write here 2, then 5 times 5. These are the factor of 50. 2 times 5 is 10 times 5 is 50. That is how factorization method applied. Next, 81. We're going to factor number 3. 81. 9 times 9. All you have to do class here, you're going to apply your multiplication skills method. Okay, so we have 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 2, 27, times 3 is 81. This is what we call factor tree method. It's look like a branch of a tree. Yeah, that's our factors of its prime numbers. Okay, how to get the prime factorization of its composite numbers. Next is 48. 48. 6 times 8. Next factor 8. 2 times 4, factor 4, 2 times 2. It's continuous, class. For 6, we have 2 times 3. Now we're going to underline first the factors that we're going to write here for 48. We're going to count how many 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 3. Okay, 48. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, next is 54. We're going to write number 5 is 54. We're going to use factor tree method, class. This is very easy steps. 9 times 6. The next 9, we're going to factor 3 9 and then 6. And that's it. So 1, 2. Isang 2. Next, we have 3 3's. This is the right procedure, class, on how to write our factorization method. Next, 670. We're going to write here 70. We're going to factor 70. 10 times 7, then 10, 2 times 5. So we're going to write first here 2, next 5, next 7. These are the factors of 120, 150, 81, 48, 54, 70. Next, class, we're going to proceed to number 7. Next is, we're going to factor 32. Okay, we're going to factor 32. So using factor tree method, 8 times 4, then 2 times 4, next 2 times 2. Then 4, we can still factor it. So we're going to count how many 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to encircle that to avoid confuse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to use that. This is very clear, class. When you use dots, and then what we call encircle each factors. Next is 45. Okay, 45. This is number 7. Number 8, 45. 9 times 5, and then 3 times 3. So we're going to write here 2, 3. Next 1, 5. This is the factor of 45. Next is 100. This is number 9. We're going to factor 100. 10 times 10 is 100. Next factor 2 tens. 2 times 5 and 2 times 5. Okay, we're going to write first 2, 2. Next 2, 5. And this is the right factor of 100. Next 60. 10 times 6, and then 2 times 5, then factor 3, number 6, we have 2 times 3. We're going to write first number 2 according to sequence of number. I'm going to use dot, class. Remember, using dots, your answer must be correct, and of course it should be clean and understandable so that your teachers will not be confused about your answer. Okay? If you want another examples or given numbers, you can do that, as well as you are going to follow my method. Factor tree method is a very easy step, class. So this is prepared by Teacher Ram. So again, class, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos today, and God bless, and see you on my next videos. Bye bye.